Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the scenario-based questions. Okay, we are going to discuss scenario-based question asked in the interviews on Jenkins. What all are the scenario-based questions the interview can ask you? Okay, so first is interviewer asks you that if you have encountered a out of memory error, what will be your what you will do, how you will try to debug the issue, how you will find the issue, how you will try to find the root cause of if you get the error out of memory. So guys, let's get started. Your Jenkins is your Jenkins is growing in data size. It will be definitely growing in data size day by day and requiring a bigger heap space. In this case, you just want to give it a bigger heap. Your Jenkins is temporarily processing a large amount of data like test reports, requiring a bigger headroom in the memory. In this case, you want to give a bigger heap. Your Jenkins is leaking memory, in which case you need to fix that. The OS kernel is running out of working memory. If you get an out of memory error, this core can be the main root cause. It can be because your heap size is growing day by day. It can be because you are processing a large amount of data, suppose a test report, a job which is processing the test reports of your latest build, latest commit, latest deployment, okay, is requiring a bigger headroom, or your Jenkins taking some memory, or the OS kernel is running out of storage. These four can be the root cause if you are getting out of memory error. What can be the resolution? You can increase the heap dump size in the JVM. You have to just increase the JVM heap memory, and then it will automatically fix this out of memory. You have to just, if you want to analyze more, you can also take a dump. You can take a dump and analyze where this issue is happening. If it's just it's my perception that it can be a heap. It can be because of the heap size. It can be because of the kernel memory also. It can be because Jenkins is leaking some memory. It can be also because of processing some large amount of data also. Okay. So to identify what is the root cause, we can use the heap dumps. We can use dump. Okay, we can take a dump and analyze that dump. That what is the root cause, why we are getting this error. And even we can find this the log file which is var log Jenkins master logs. If you go to the path /var/log/Jenkins/master log, in that log path we can also find the root cause. If we read the loggers, we can have a perception, we can come to a conclusion what is the main root cause. Even after reading the log file, if we are not able to come to a conclusion, then we can take a dump. We dump and then we can analyze the dump. Okay guys, you understood? If the interview asks you out of memory errors, there are four. These four are the these four are the these four can be one of the root cause. And then how you will identify the main root cause? You have to analyze the log file, var log Jenkins master log. If you are not able to find, even if you are not able to conclude after seeing the logs, then you have to take a heap dump. And if there is a JVM, if because of the JVM heap dump, then you have to increase the heap dump. Okay guys, let's move on to the next two questions. If in your Jenkins, interview is asking, if in your Jenkins no one is able to log in to the Jenkins, how you? Second question, if you are getting error while downloading dependencies from Maven repo, what will be the conclusion what will the resolution according to you without opening the connectivity? Okay, so let's get started with the second question. No one is able to log in. You also not able to log in. No one is able to log in, and you have a critical sign off, QA sign off or some sign off which needs to be completed by today. Then how you will fix that? How you will fix that? Okay, so the resolution is we will go to the config.xml file and set the use security tag to false and then restart the Jenkins server. You have to go to the home directory of the Jenkins and then open the file config.xml and then set use security tag to false and then restart the Jenkins service. Fine. Okay guys, then you will be able to log into the Jenkins because the security parameter is false. There is no security, it's open for all. After opening this, then you have to reset, you have to create the users and then again you have to turn this false to true and then restart it then. Okay guys? Okay, and the third question. This is really interesting. You want to download the dependency for Maven repo, but you are not able to download the dependencies. Then how you will resolve this issue without opening the connectivity? The resolution for this problem is to just copy the .m2 folder from your any other environment. So the job is compiled using all the dependency present in the .m2 folder. If you want to, if you copy the .m2 folder from any other environment to the current environment, you will be able to download the dependencies from the Maven repository. Okay? If you are not able to download the dependency from the Maven repo, it's really simple. You just have to copy the .m to that. You just all the dependency. If still some dependency is left, which is not present in the .m2 folder, then you have to open the connectivity. There is no other solution. Okay? But if you already have a .m2 folder with you, you just have to copy that .m. Okay guys, I hope you are able to figure out these scenario-based questions. These are the frequently asked scenario-based questions in interviews. Okay, so you have to prepare these things because interviewer can he will ask you first some basic questions, then he will say, yeah, he knows the basics. Now let's try to ask him some scenario-based question. How he is acting in a scenario-based question. What will be the how he is tackling those scenario-based questions. So he will give you a problem statement, and you have to solve that problem. With the first, you have to explain what can be the problem, what can be the root cause, and the resolution of it. Okay, guys. Let's meet up in the next video, guys. Thank you, guys. Do hit the like button, do hit the subscribe button.